Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Sian Roadster, Lamborghini Sian Roadster, and this is by a brand called the Speed Car, or TSC in short. So I mean, this is actually a new brand if you ask me, and this is a licensed product. And so Jian Fengwen. Okay, so if you guys remember, I don't know if how many of you actually knows this. This Jian Fengwen toys. This one I saw it in some shops. The one is 24 scale, but those were not actually licensed. But looks like they acquired some license. It seems I need to now search for more shops to see if they have licensed 1 is to 24 Lamborghinis or other some other brands. Okay, so let's start with this one. So right now, see, it has only two colors, the green and blue. So this one is marked as blue. So let's see whether it is actually blue or a different, or green color. Okay, I really don't want to use knife for this one. Okay, yeah, it is a blue one. Okay, they packed it like a chocolate. That is really nice. Okay, but once we open it, we won't be able to put it back. So let's see if I can cut it with a knife instead of. Yeah, done. Okay, so let's check it out. It's good that we got the blue one first. So there is nothing else inside the box, if you guys are wondering. See, originally I thought of having a USB microphone, but I'm not sure how the unboxing sounds will be, so I didn't pick that one. I'm just having it. I'm trying to use it in near future. Let's see. Okay, so out of the box, it looks okay. It has some scraps here, but honestly, this looks really nice. I mean, for a new brand, that looks really nice. And the headlights are actually just embossed and painted on top of it. Okay, logo placement is good. It has a little bit of paint bubble here, you can see in the hood, but the color looks really gorgeous, which is really nice. It is not darker blue or it is not even lighter blue. It is something like in between, like kind of a polished blue, I can say. And it has some engine detailing to it, so you can put this under like semi premium kind of range. You can see the rims, which is see, there are a couple of cars in this brand which was released, like Aston Martin and the Aston Martin Valkyrie, I guess. There is a new car in Aston Martin. They released that one, and couple more cars are, also they released. But I just bought only the Sian just to see how it looks. Okay, so let's talk more about the good things here. So it has acrylic inserts for the tail lights, which is really nice. The exhaust detail looks good. The logo placement is really nice. It has engine detailing. The interior looks really good. I mean, this is for around like 450 rupees. So this is coming somewhere around this Matchbox moving part series range. But personally, if you ask me, this looks really better. And okay, this has plastic. Okay, let me just check it one more time. It is, yeah, it does look plastic to me. It is a plastic chassis, but the rims are really nice, and it has rubber wheels. So, and it has rear view mirrors, which is quite faithful to this particular car in real life. It has the wipers as well. So the body is fully metal. I missed to say that, and the chassis is plastic as it seems. And good thing is they screwed it, so if you guys want to customize it, you can just remove and customize it, which is really nice. But the way it looks like, it feels like it looks like metal, but it is plastic. Yeah, it does good. It has the grill details here, which is really nice. Honestly, it is really good. I really wish they come up with more brands. And the clearance, you can see the ground clearance, which is really nice. It is not too high like you see in the Majorettes, because I did unbox this Majorette Sian long back, like 2 years back, when Majorettes originally launched in India during 2023. So that due to that suspension, it usually has that a little bit of lift, But I personally don't want to compare this with Hot Wheels because this looks way better than Hot Wheels. The closer, the closer ones I can compare this is, either a Majorette or a Tomica mainline I'm talking about. Okay, let's weigh this car now. Okay, 31 grams, not bad. Okay, it doesn't feel that heavy to be honest, but it has really nice detailing to it. I mean, it has some scratches on the windshield. I need to see how the other one looks. So, but overall, it's really a great piece. If I'm going to keep it in the display like this, that is going to look really beautiful. So I'm planning to remove that centenary on the back because it is pure black and it is hard to see even with a lot of lights. Okay, let's do a roll test now. Okay, it may not roll really well, but it does roll. And, I can give that to this car. Okay, see, personally for me, I'm going to collect this. I'm not going to play with it, and it is a beautiful piece to collect and a good brand to buy at around that 430 450 rupees range. So the detailings are really nice, the air intakes and everything. So I personally love this in acrylic inserts they given for tail lights also. So I need to see other cars how they did. So I just bought only one just to see how the brand actually is. It is really good. I maybe if I get a chance to buy rest of the castings, I will do. So let's see. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.